In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text behind a person in Premiere Pro. This sleek effect makes your titles feel integrated with the scene, and it only takes a few simple moves once you know where to look. First, place your text on a lower video track. Create your title with the Type tool, position it where you want it to sit behind your subject, and drag that text layer onto a track below your footage in the timeline. Keeping the text under the video is what lets the next step create the illusion that the letters are tucked behind the person. Choose your font, size, and color now so you don't have to redesign it later. Next, duplicate your main footage and put that duplicate above the text. You can copy and paste the clip or hold a modifier key and drag to make a copy. Stack it on a video track above the text while the original clip stays on a track below. Think of the top copy as a cutout will shape. It will hide parts of the text, while the text remains visible everywhere else. Now select the top clip and open Effect Controls. If you don't see it, enable it from the window menu. In Effect Controls, look under Opacity. This is where the masking tools live, and they're perfect for isolating your subject. Use a masking tool to draw around the person so the text peeks out behind them. The Free Draw Bezier gives the most precise outline. Ellipse or rectangle works if your subject fits a simple shape. Zoom in for accuracy, then click to place points around the edge of your subject, tracing enough of their body to cover where the text would overlap. Close the mask to complete the outline, and you'll see your text appear to slide behind the person. If the edge looks harsh, a small amount of feather in opacity can soften it, and a careful tweak to the mask path points helps refine the contour. Keep the mask just outside the subject to avoid cutting into them. For organization, rename your clips and match the durations of the text and both video layers so the effect holds throughout the shot. Choose a text color that reads clearly against the background, since portions of the letters will be hidden. Play back a few seconds to check the effect. If your subject moves, you may need to adjust the mask over time for the best result. When everything looks clean, you're done. The text sits behind your subject convincingly, all inside Premiere Pro.